Hi, welcome to Level Talk. Come on in, I'm Russ. As usual, we've got Si doing his magic behind the camera. Today we're talking turbo trainer, specifically with regards to the setup. The one we're going to look at today is by Lazy Days, but there are a number of other different branded, exactly the same machines out there in the £80 to £100 price bracket. We'll put the link to the one we've got that we're going to show you that's on Amazon in the description. Let's get into it. The turbo trainer comes in three elements. You have the collapsible frame to allow easy storage, which is connected by a cable to the resistance adjuster, and the front wheel support, which both rises the front wheel so it's in line with the rear wheel and also provides lateral support. You must make sure you have the right axle in the wheel to fit the holders. The quick release type generally doesn't have the necessary fixings either side of the axle. Often you will get an axle with the turbo trainer. However, if you don't, they are quite cheap. You need to make sure you put the tension equally on both sides so the tyre gets positioned in the centre of the roller. You need to make sure it's tight, as you'll be surprised at how much flex you can get in the bike, even if you have clip-ons and are both pulling and pushing on the pedals. You also need to have the safety bolts spun into place to stop the bolts loosening with extended use. Move the roller towards the wheel to the same level of pressure you would have if you were sitting on the bike on the road. This stops the tyre skidding across the roller, which reduces the wear on the tyre and also means the resistance adjuster on the handlebars can work more effectively. Place the front wheel riser directly under the axle, as this gives the most stability, making sure the tyre is fully seated. The final step is to fix the resistance adjuster to the handlebars. On the stem, we find is usually a good position. Then set it to 1, ready for the warm-up.